Welcome to Vlogmas Day 15. In today's vlog, I'm going to show you my simple makeup routine, and I'm going to take out my twist out so that we can see how this curly curl cream performs, all while sharing my ideas for the rest of Vlogmas. So, here we go. First item on the list is Taliah. It is a mask fit waterproof setting spray. I just started using this. One of the reasons why I started using it is because it's waterproof. I have allergies, and so my eyes tend to tear in this area, literally tear in both of those areas. And so I just started using it. I can't say whether it's foolproof or not because I've just started using it, but you're supposed to shake it, spray it, do your makeup, and then put it on at the end and then wipe the nozzle. So let's start with that. Oh, and also I found out that you have to like spray it and then like catch the mist. So let's do that. As you can see, I'm not an expert. Setting spray done. Next on the list is foundation. After I put foundation on, then I do mascara. If I'm feeling a little spicy, then I'll put eyeliner on. For my lip, I usually just do Vaseline or chapstick. If I'm feeling a little spicy, then I'll do a lip liner and a lip balm. Next up is foundation. I use the ColourPop Pretty Fresh foundation. It's a liquid foundation, and the color is dark 157W. And I put my foundation on with my Morphe brush. Now this Morphe brush and the foundation I got at Ulta. I also got this mascara at Ulta. It's called Bad Gal Bang. And I also use their eyeliner as well. I'm out of eyeliner, so that will make it to today's makeup routine. But that is the next step. I have been thinking a lot about what I want to do for the rest of these vlogs. And I decided that I want to do a Christmas to-do list. So I do today's to-dos on my Instagram and my stories. I do it almost every single day. And I thought it'd be kind of fun to kind of play on that for Christmas. And I thought about all the things that I have to do, and I don't quite have that many. So I just added some like exciting activities on there. One of them is make a perfect pancake. I have been making pancakes for years, but I haven't perfected it. Like, I like it to be fluffy and a little crispy on the edges. And I find that I'm only able to get a pancake like that in a restaurant. So that is one of the things. The second thing is I would like to make my own peppermint bark. Peppermint bark is one of those things that is for holiday, but it's very expensive. And I was looking at some of the like recipes online, and it seems very simple. So I want to make my own peppermint bark. And I also want to create punch ice. I don't know if you guys saw this. I saw it on TikTok. And you literally put water, cranberries, oranges, and like some sprigs. And you put it in a bundt pan with water, freeze it, and then you use that for your ice for your punch bowl. So I think it's super creative. I don't know if you all remember when people used to put like flowers in their ice for the spring, for like bridal showers and weddings. We typically don't drink like holiday punch. I would say our holiday punch is called sorrel. My mom's from Trinidad, so we drink a lot of sorrel and mauby. So I can just have my mom make the sorrel, I make the ice, and that will be our punch. So that's one of the things. And then the other ones are like more festive, right? Like putting up my wreath, putting the garland on the stairwell, putting up the tree, trimming the tree, wrapping presents, showing you how I pack for Christmas, because we spend some Christmas here at home and then we spend some Christmas time away as well. So just showing you how I pack, because we're literally like packing up Christmas and bringing Christmas to the next destination. So I can show that. And then of course, mailing my Christmas cards. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm not sure if I missed anything. I'll put a list of all the things in the description below of all the activities and things that I want to get done before Christmas. But yeah, really excited. And I think it's going to come out well. My mom taught me this trick about mascara, which is to go to each individual lash, then brush them all together. And that makes your eyelashes look a lot fuller. Personally, if I had someone that could put on permanent lashes or semi-permanent lashes every single day, I would wear that. I love how my eyes look with lashes. I personally am not able to put on my own lashes at this present moment. I get so scared about my eyes closing. And short story about this, my birthday, I think it was my 30th birthday. Was it my birthday? 30th birthday? I don't remember which birthday it was, but we were going to Orlando for my birthday. I went to the nail salon, got a manicure, pedicure, eyebrows done. They said they do lashes. I'm like, yes, I want to get my lashes done. I get there and she puts the lashes on, puts the glue on, and literally the glue sealed both of my eyes shut. I was in that nail salon for hours. And my husband was calling me and I couldn't answer because I could not see the phone. And so needless to say, it delayed our trip a bit and it kind of made me fearful of doing my own lashes. So any opportunity I get to have a makeup artist do my makeup, I always ask for them to put on false lashes. Individual. Alright, then all together, and I do like a little shimmy, like a shimmy, then a pull. And then shimmy, pull, shimmy, pull. And then I try to go closer to the end there. Alright, we're done with that. Let's see if I can do it better this time than I did the first time. Okay, spray and then go inside. The makeup girlies, they don't show this part where they do the setting spray, do they? I might need to show it. I feel like I'm doing like a little Kim dance. It took me a long time to figure out how to do my twist outs in the way that I wanted them to look. There have been a lot of videos on like two-strand twist, and I just didn't necessarily like the way that it looked. I like my hair to look full and have a lot of volume. I would say my hair is like a medium length. I don't like my twist out to look like a medium length. So I will say, in comparison to the texture foam, my hair is softer. Usually it feels a little bit more crunchy. This feels much softer. So I wonder how long it's going to be able to hold. Usually my twist outs, I can make it stretch for, my twist outs can stretch for about 4 days, and then on the 5th day I put in a pineapple, and then after the pineapple I put a head wrap on, and then I do my hair again. I wash my hair once a week. So yeah, I'm curious because it's so soft if it will stay and hold for a little while. Alright, let's take the rest of this down. Alright, let's speed this up. It almost makes my hair look like it's dyed, like it's like more on the like jet black side versus like a soft black. I think we got a little flop curl over here on the left.